Wizara y'obochanu mirimo thoni nigo aesokire na kurukuburia gochia sabara y'Abasubati bari barasiri bagali OBORAI koene kiabuna KOBA bari EKIYOROKERERIO EKIYA gochia Abasubati bande unenchire moyo gochiko konya na ugosirana ani garingi ko yakwana asumoiga wariganirwa ni kiombeke mo kya Abasubati unenchire moyo ko yarigane gochiko chengera ritukorina na Abasubati asomwa koiga asebona atebire Abasubati bari bwateri bagalira barasa OBORAI nigo abwente kobeka umukia bokobe EKIYOROKERERIO EKIYA irigo chikone kiabuna nkobasira bara Abasubati bande.
And a truthful message shared at the right time can stop fear, stop stigma, stop harm. Communication can save lives. When we tell our mothers, our sisters, and we talk about children immunization, vaccination, and we tell the truth, it will save lives. And that is why your PR or your work in PR matters very much. You are not just storytellers, you are nation builders. So don't just tag yourselves as storytellers, but you can shape the conversations of a whole village by saying the truth. And making sure that the conversations that are happening up here are also cascading down to the bottom of the pyramid. So when a mother in Kisii chooses antenatal care, let's say, and because the information was clear and respectful, that is communication. When a young girl in Garissa learns that her dreams are valid because she had a story that included her, that is communication. When a survivor of gender-based violence finds courage to speak because the narrative shifted from shame to support, that is communication. Your words can open doors, but still they can close them. You, ladies in PR, your platforms can elevate voices or erase them forever. Your storytelling can unite Kenyans or divide us. So tonight, I want to challenge you guys. I want to challenge you. Tell the story with courage. Tell the story that protects dignity. Tell the story that makes the room at the table for those who have always stood outside the door.